What if I told you this tiny camera could replace your DSLR, your smartphone, and maybe even your entire content setup? And no one is talking about the most insane feature yet. Like, share and subscribe for more crazy tech updates, and stay till the end because one upgrade here might completely change how creators shoot videos forever. So GoPro just revealed the Mission 1 series, and this is not a normal upgrade. This feels like a complete shift. First, it comes with a massive 1-inch sensor, and if that sounds technical, here is what it actually means. Your videos capture way more light, so night shots look brighter, details look sharper, and everything starts to feel cinematic instead of typical action camera quality. But this is just the beginning. This sensor is 50 megapixels, which means your footage is not only wide and stable, it is packed with insane detail. You can zoom, crop, or reframe without losing clarity. And now comes the real power. Inside this tiny body is a new GP3 processor built on a 5nm design. Think of it like an ultra-fast brain that handles everything instantly, from stabilizing shaky footage to enhancing colors and low light automatically. Because of this, the camera can shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second, 4K at 240 frames per second for extreme slow motion, and even 960 frames per second at full HD. Imagine capturing a water splash or a jump in slow motion so detailed that you can see every single frame clearly. Sounds insane, right? But wait, this is not even the most unexpected part. There is a feature here that could actually replace traditional cameras. The Mission 1 Pro ILS supports interchangeable lenses. Yes, you can now attach professional Micro Four Thirds lenses to a GoPro. That means you can switch from ultra-wide action shots to cinematic zoom shots, or even create that blurred background look usually seen in movies. This is something no one expected from an action camera. And then comes 4K open gate recording. In simple terms, the camera uses the full sensor instead of cropping it so you get more frame to work with. You can shoot once and then adjust your video for YouTube, Instagram, or Shorts without losing quality. It is like shooting future-proof content every time. Battery life has also taken a big jump with the new Enduro 2 battery, giving you over 5 hours of recording on a single charge at full HD and more than 3 hours at 4K. That means longer shoots, fewer interruptions, and more reliable performance when you actually need it. On top of that, you get 10-bit color for richer and more realistic visuals, AI-powered processing that improves low light and stabilization automatically, a 4-microphone setup for cleaner and more professional audio, and waterproofing up to 20 meters straight out of the box. There is even a grip edition with a metal body for extra durability if you are shooting in extreme conditions. So now think about this. A camera this small can shoot 8K, supports professional lenses, delivers cinematic quality, and lasts for hours. If action cameras are becoming this powerful, are we looking at the future where one compact device replaces multiple gadgets? And here is the real question. If this continues, will your next upgrade be a smartphone or something like this instead?